Let me show you how you can record your videos on TikTok. Yes, you can record your videos on TikTok, download them and post them on whatever form you want to post, or you can just record and post directly on TikTok. Let's get into it. So for you to create a video in TikTok, you go into your TikTok profile. Everyone has a TikTok profile because you are watching this video. It's because you have a TikTok account. So you are in your profile like this. And then on your main menu like this, you will see a plus button. So when you click on the plus button, it will bring you to this page. So this is the page where you can create your own video. Very easy. You create your own video and then you just post it. So from here, there is a timeline here. If you can see, there is a text. If you want to create a text, if you want to do a photo, but we don't want to do a photo. If it's just a photo I want to do, I'll just click on a photo and I've captured the photo. That is a selfie I'm using, yeah? If I want to do a 15-second video, if I want to do a 60-second video, or I want to do a 10-minute video. So it depends with what you want to, how many minutes you want to create your videos on. So it's going to show like that. Then down here, there are a lot of templates. If you can see, there are different type of templates. If you want to look at it's different. If you want to look here, it's different. If you want this one, it's different. You can create anyone that you if you think you can like. You can create any template that you want to create. So this one is my just normal phone video that I'm using. So now for you to start creating, you just click on the video that you want to create. So I'll click on it and then to start creating. We forgot to remove the music because there's already inbuilt music on every template that you choose. So let me just do discard. Then I'll go here. This is where the lyrics are for the music. So I'll click here. Then I'll just remove the music. Okay, so the music is removed. I can add, if I want to add, I can go back there and add. So we don't want to use any music because I'm talking. Maybe when I want to put some background music, then I can put it. But for now, it's just like this. So we'll start recording. Hey guys, I'm Mimi, and I'm showing you how to create a video in TikTok and then you post your video on TikTok. Very, very easy. So in this video, this is what I'm doing. If you interested in this video, please click on the plus button, like this video, leave a comment and save it for later. You can also share it with your friends. Okay, yeah, so this is the timeline is going. It is 25 seconds now. It is just going. So if you want it to be 10 seconds, if you want it to be, you can just click on stop and it stop. So you'll be just creating like this. You are talking. If you want to show something that you want to show, you can show people. You explain. So make sure that when you are doing on your timeline, you make sure that you put, if the video is more than 1 minute, better you put it at 10 minutes so that the video will go on, and then you can just click on stop. Okay, so I'll just click on stop. Since I've finished recording, I'll just click here, stop, and the video is stopped. Yes. So now if I want to just like this and then I post the video, we'll start recording. Just list your video, your story. So your story quickly. So in this, click on your story. I can click on the next. So when I go on next, this is where now I'm going to put the description for the video. I'm going to put, if I want to put, if you can see, you can put links, you can put settings, you can put anything that you want to add to your video. You can also edit your video. If you want to edit your video more, this is where you go. And then you just click on post and post. Or if you want to save it to your draft, you save it to. So for me, I'm going to save it to my draft because I'm not posting this video. And it is going to my draft. And I'm back to my place where I was recording the video. So now this is how you record your video on TikTok. Very simple. Just record. You click on the post button and the video is gone without doing anything to the video, as long as you are happy with that video, and then you can do what? You can post. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow me. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.